South Express visited Vidyashilp University to check what is Environment Education Toolkit all about. Well, Vidyashilp University in North Bangalore offers a 4-year course called Bachelor of Design Communication, which expects students to prepare the designs on various topics. Interestingly, environment communication is also a chosen topic. We talked to the faculty members and students. Yeah, come, let us listen to what they are going to say. Could you please tell us how this course is integrating designing with nature education?
In this course, we were looking at an education and training design program, and we chose the context of nature-based education. We explored what nature-based education can be. We tried to see where we can fit it into the busy curriculum of the students, and we decided to gamify it and create a toolkit for students to engage with nature, to be able to take out the time and understand small things like leaves, flowers, trees. And we've created 2 activity kits for children aged 6 and above, and it's just a small set that students can do these activities in 20 minutes.
Could you please tell us how you have developed a tool kit for nature education?
I'm Preksha Ashar and I'm a design student from Vidyashilp University. For this semester of Integrated Studio, we have developed a toolkit based on the idea of NBE, which is nature-based education. We went through a very intricate process of doing a lot of research on nature-based education and understanding what it is. For this, we also did primary research where we went to several schools like Steiner's Bangalore School and Center for Learning, where we understood different types of education like Waldorf education and Steiner's style of education or Shantiniketana education.
Could you please tell us the process of this toolkit making?
To develop the toolkit, I went through the process of making a brochure to understand what NBE is, having tactile explorations on understanding how exactly I would want the visuals and the feel of my card to be. This was how it turned out in the end in comparison to what I had explored. This is a poster on how we explored nature-based education and understood how exactly nature-based education works. This is the evolution of activity cards and how I started off. This is how I started off with the card. This is how the first visual draft looked like. This was the exploring texture where I wanted the card to look in a specific way. This is the test print on how I ended up making the card looking, and this is how the final card looked. And all of this is of the same activity, and this is how the activity looks like. These are some iterations of brochure designs and how exactly I wanted my visuals to be. This is how my brochure turned out. This was exploring my color palette on brown paper, as I decided to use brown paper for my toolkit. And these are some experimentation with the prints and different formats for the card, which would be put in the toolkit.
It's interesting to note that you have prepared a toolkit. Could you please tell me how you are going to put it in use?
Yeah, in Vidyashilp we have a design program, and my courses deal with real world contexts. So we engage with a user group, and in this case it has been the People Trust.
So a bachelor's degree in communication designing is going to be very useful in many fields such as marketing, media, education and advertising. The toolkit prepared by the design students will hopefully create a greater impact in the nature education also. Thanks for watching and signing off, Selva of South Express.